Like any new mom, Amanda Hedrick looked forward to bringing her new son home from the hospital. The problem was, she didn't have a home. Just days before her baby was born, an EF4 tornado ripped through Harrisburg, Illinois. She and her 10-year-old daughter were terrified.
I thought it was just the worst thing in the world. My whole neighborhood was gone. All you seen was flashlights and people screaming, "Help us, help us, help us." I couldn't imagine going through anything like that ever again. It was the scariest thing I've ever been through.
While she was in the hospital, her aunt found a mobile home for the young mom to rent. But it was dirty and in desperate need of repair. Operation Blessing was on the ground in the ravaged town. Amanda's aunt asked them for help with basic needs like cleaning and paint, and maybe some new carpet. Instead of providing just basic repairs, Operation Blessing completely made over the home, installing new linoleum and providing appliances and furniture. We also designed a brand new nursery, already filled with clothes for the new baby. There's a room for her daughter, and of course, a beautiful bedroom for Amanda.
It's just beautiful in here. I never expected anything like this. Nothing at all. I couldn't ask for anything more.
But Operation Blessing had one more gift. The volunteers collected enough money to pay her rent for almost a year.
This is such a blessing. It is such a blessing to me. I don't know where to begin to thank everybody or to show my appreciation, but I promise if it's the last thing I do, one day, someday, somehow, I will let everybody know how thankful I am, and I will help somebody else just like you guys helped me.